Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to record and transcribe audio notes in iOS 18. First, open the Notes app on your mobile phone. Then tap on the page icon to open a new folder. Now tap on the text area where you want to start typing. After that, you will see various feature options along with the record option. In the next step, play your recorded audio note from Voice Memos. Your device will transcribe the audio as you listen to it. As you complete one recording, you can also start the new recording. Here, you can see the chats icon shown at the bottom. You can tap on it and it will start to transcribe the audio. Once the dictation is complete, you may need to exit the text for accuracy or clarity. In the end, tap on the three dots and copy your transcribed text. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.